Hi, Roger Dean Supply. I'm here to talk to you about our brand new exclusive item, the Dexter Russell Holiday Knife Carving Kit. It's a 3-piece kit that comes with a 10-inch slicer, 6-inch boning knife, and a 6-inch bayonet fork. It's a perfect holiday gift for you or any chef in your family. Let's take a look and I'll show you how it works. We've got a poly bag. It's easy to clean, easy to stay clean. Velcro enclosures. And then we have the 3-piece kit inside, which comes with a 6-inch bayonet fork, which is good for holding your meat steady as you're carving it, as well as flipping things on a grill or in a saute pan. We have the 10-inch slicing knife. This is good for when you're carving your meats, filleting fish, cutting thin slices in soft vegetables like a tomato or thin slices of an onion. Really good for that. This is your 6-inch boning knife. This is good for separating the meat from the bone as you're carving. Also filleting fish, cutting small pieces of meat into cubes for a stew or things like that. Really great kit, super sharp knives, American made with American steel, all forged. So let's take a look and see how these knives work. I'm ready to go. I got my trusty cut glove on. I'm going to use the fork to hold the protein steady, and I'm just going to make some nice slices. You let the knife do the work. You just have to give a little pressure. You see how nice the slices are. Super sharp dual edge blade. Easy for slicing. Slicing thin. Here's a thicker slice if you're doing steaks. Really easy. Holding that meat down with the fork. Slicing thin. And again, if you need thick pieces as well. See how easy that is? All right, so let's take a look at some turkey. This is a roasted turkey breast. Same thing, we're gonna hold the protein with the fork. We're gonna go against the grain. And you just let the knife do the work. There's a little pressure you push down, but otherwise, you just let the knife do the work. Super sharp duo edge blade. All made in America, forged with American steel. And again, you can have thick or thin slices. You just let the knife do the work. Hot meat or cold meat too. You can be carving at a Thanksgiving table, or you can be carving some cold meat that you cooked the day before. Again, super, super sharp edge, and you just let the knife do the work. So here's an example of our meats. This is our pork loin, this is our turkey breast, and a couple ideas on how to dress up a platter for your holiday table. Just know that you can feel confident and comfortable with this high-performance knife kit from Dexter Russell. You can come visit us at the store, or you can shop online at shop@dean.com and actually have it delivered right to your house. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.